Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, I will show you how to deploy a HTML web page on Ubuntu server using Microsoft Azure by Apache. Okay, so and without any further delay, I will show you how to make it. Okay, so this is my Azure account, and I want to create an virtual machine. Okay, let's log into our virtual machine and let's create a new resource group here. Just win. Okay. Okay. So what is this? Yes, click on OK. So I created my resource group where all my things are like I save in one resource group, so I can click easily. Okay. And I'm creating the Ubuntu server. Okay. And now I want to see in Central India, we take in Zone 1, personal virtual machine. Yes. Like by default, it's a Ubuntu server, no? So, and let me take a password or not. We will take password, okay? And the Azure user and make it as a password. Microsoft, Microsoft. So, and what we have to allow ports. See, if I want to host a web page like HTML page, we need to get a HTTP port compulsory because by default SSH will be there. Like, but we need the HTTP, otherwise we can, or like at the final, we need to add it. Okay. So before only we are doing, and anything I forgot. So I given 1 GB RAM. Yeah, it's okay. And let me review and create. And we have so many options, disk networking management, but we don't need at all the things now. We will discuss in further classes. Okay. So it was costing 0.0112 USD dollars per hour. And let me create on yes. Okay. Let me wait for 2 minutes. And I given password now. Yes. I given password and wait for 2 minutes for deployment. So after the deployment, we will get go to resource and you see like a network security group, IP address, VNet, all the things will be provided here. So we will wait for 2 minutes and click on home page when it is deployed successfully. Yeah, it was taking so much time. Yeah, now I got created and let's click on go to resources. Let go like Ubuntu server, virtual machine agent storage is not ready, not at all issue. We will proceed and we will check whatever it happened. See, I have a public IP address. I copied and we can open the Putigen. And why we are opening the Putigen is like it is the only software which connects the like Linux servers such as Cosmo DB, Red Hat, Linux, Ubuntu, all the things like Debian, all the Linux softwares we can connect to Putigen software. Okay. For the Windows we don't need it. We can simply click on RDP. Okay. So just click on I open. So yeah, it's showing as open. So what the login? It's asking login. Okay. Okay. What are the things we need to do here? Mm, no. So not at all issue. Just wait. Okay. Now I'm getting the bigger one. Yeah. See, it's asking login as how we have to do like I given the Azure user now like username and password while creating the virtual machine. So I given Azure user and I have to give the password Microsoft. So the password will not be visible. Okay. So let's I create enter like after it's asking Azure user Ubuntu. So by it was giving default name whatever we are given. So I am the user. So we have to go sudo hyphen hi. What it will get is it will get into the root user. So in the root user only we have to do everything, right? So sudo, and now let me check uh, ls. What are the files? So I'm not appearing anything. So we have to drive into that folder, okay, cd slash enter. And now if I click on ls, see, before I click on ls, I won't get any files, but now I'm getting everything. See, and where our HTML page is there, so in the where applications, it should be there. So cd where slash. So let me click on ls. See, we have no file of HTMLs. So what I have to do now, we need to upgrade this Ubuntu. Okay. So how to upgrade? Sudo apt apt upgrade update -y. Okay. See, it will updating the packages whatever essential for this. Uh, See, whatever what I said, I will show you how to install the Apache, like configure Apache for hosting a web page. For hosting a web page, the Apache is compulsory, so that's why we are updating the packages. And now let's what the next line sudo apt install. Like after installing what they installing Apache, right? Apache Apache 2 hyphen y. Why I'm given hyphen y is, oh, after it will ask yes or no. That's why previously only I'm given hyphen y. See, I'm getting this. These are all Linux softwares. They are like Linux commands. At least you have to get the idea how to use. Okay. So let's, yeah, I'm getting into the where field, but where we have to install, like see, I am installed in my where. So let me get into cd, okay. So cd slash, okay. And now I will check, like it's, I think it's, there is no use I'm doing like this. So cd where enter, and let me create an LSC. Now I'm getting WWE. Like before that, see, before this, I'm not getting in where, like I'm not getting www, but after installing the Apache, I'm getting this www. Okay, and now cd www, enter, and ls. See, I have the HTML file, and it's not the file, it's the folder, right? So okay, it's like a folder. Okay, so ls minus l, if I click, yeah, it's a directory. If I'm getting dr, it's a directory. Okay, so then is it directory is a HTML file? No, it's a folder which containing. So I'm like clicking on ls, the list HTML, right? So let's get into HTML. Yeah, and if I create an LSC, I'm getting index.html, right? See, and whenever, see, this is the IP address, right? So let me in my local host. Let me see what the thing is there by default with the IP address. See, before it was not coming. After installing the Apache server only, it's what it was getting, because previously the www is not there, and the HTML file also not there, because the HTML file in www now. So before, if I click on the, if I check this IP address, I will not get anything. Like I will get like this page is one, this page was not found. So you will get there some error issue. So by default I'm getting. But what this? It's the HTML file now. So how to check is this HTML file? See, I have this HTML file now. I want to read cat index.html. See, this is the HTML page. Very long. See, I have the style div. See, div like a style head, all the things. It's up to here. And I don't want to write much more. So I want to change this file cat greater than index.html. .html. Okay. See, see, before I was press cat index.html, I didn't mention this greater than, because why? At that time I want to read, but I want to edit this file. I want to like rewrite, overwrite the file. So I just enter cat greater than HTML. If I click on enter, it was asking me, so write some code of HTML. So whatever you need. So let me, what I will do, I will go for like a WC. This is the usual page now. So I want to change this web page. So let's get into W3 editors. Like you can take anything. Yeah, like let me write anything. Um, I'm the Python developer. I'm a Python developer. Okay, so that's enough. So let's copy this and let's paste here. Okay, Control V. No, it's not happening. Okay, that's what we have to do. Click on right click. So it was able to, yes. So and, now click on Control C. So let's exit from that page. Okay. Oh, okay. I was over the HTML file, but I want to see what in the HTML file again. What we have to do, cat index.html. See, this was, see, I was entered cat index.html here. See what the HTML code I written, it was showing. So it was override the oldest code. So let me refresh my page. See, it's the default URL, like it's the public URL, right? So let me refresh this page. See, I'm the Python developer. So I'm getting this everything, like, see, if you want to access this local, like a public URL in your mobile also, you will get the same while I'm running, while until my virtual machine is running. So I will delete now anymore. So this is how you can host your web application, like the HTML file using Apache server. Apache server in Ubuntu. Okay, it's the Ubuntu, right? And these are the Linux commands you need to know whenever we need to write. So see, if I want to get out of this, up to where, see, I'm just click on CD. See, I'm getting whole out of this. Like it was not like CD dot dot. We can do like that also, but while entering CD now, you will get all the things. So if I click on ls, it will not show. What I have to do, CD slash, and then click on ls, you will get. And I want to power off my, see, my putty. Yeah, it's having error, and let's close this. And if let me refresh this, I will not get any more. I think if I get, I will delete my VM. Okay. See, I'm not getting. It's taking so much time now. I will get compulsory error, but before I don't want to see my errors. So let me. But however, I'm getting. See. Okay, let's close this page. Yeah, this is my Ubuntu server, and we can stop. See, we can stop, or like we can delete, and we can refresh. If I restart this, we can refresh. Okay, so anything, and come to home, and it's my Ubuntu server, right? And it was in test resource group. So let me delete this resource group, copy, and apply force delete. So let me paste this and delete the Azure, like Azure resource group. Okay, so the Ubuntu server, the Ubuntu IP, NSG, VNet, all the things, including the disk also will be deleted. Okay, let me get into the home. So after 2 or 3 seconds, let me refresh this file. So it will be get closed. So in this way, you can know how to host a website in the like Ubuntu virtual machine using Apache server, right? And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and wait for other video. Okay, thank you. Let's